In today's video, I'll walk you through how to download a fake GPS location spoofer for both iPhone and Android devices. Search MagFone location changer on Google. Visit the official MagFone website. Hit the download button. Once downloaded, open the installer and follow the steps to install the program. It is one of the most reliable fake GPS tools that work for both Android and iPhone. It's easy to use, safe, and supports a wide range of apps. Launch the app and you're ready to go. Now, connect your phone to your computer with a USB cable. MagFone will detect your device automatically. Click Next button, and then click General Mode if we do not use it for specific LBS games. Enable Developer Mode and USB debugging as the on-screen shows. Whether you want to prank your friends, protect your privacy, or unlock location-based features in apps like Tinder, Pokemon Go, or Snapchat, this location spoofer has you covered. After entering the map, you can select a destination all over the world you want to teleport. You can either click on any spot on the map or enter the address in the search box. You are now in change location mode. You can also use two-spot movement. Here you can select the destination and adjust the movement speed. You can also use multi-movement, jump teleport, and joystick movement if you want.